Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi, you guys. Happy Monday, and it's day 35.
Wow, day 35. Gosh,
I know it's hard to believe.
it is.
Sorry. One of our projects today is to take inventory of the sizes and shapes of the containers we have because we have a lot of flowers to plant.
So we want to see what we have so they're compatible and the best fit for the plants we have. So we wanted to show you what we're doing today in our process of what we do. So here we go.
Okay, you guys, as you can see, we love these white containers. They're nice and big.
They're really deep.
Yeah.
Now right here, we've got some shallower ones.
Those are beautiful. I do love those.
Me too. And so these are really shallow, but they're nice and ornamental. And so what we're doing is we're looking at these and looking at the shape of them, and we're also looking at the depth. Now, the reason you want to look at the shape is for where they're going to fit best for you in your garden. That could be the space they're going to fit in, but it could also be what they're around. So just some things to think about. It's what we think about anyway. And then also the depth. How deep is the area for the soil for what plants you're going to put in there? Because the plants are going to need a certain depth for their root zones to thrive and be healthy in these pots wherever you place them. So this pot right here, it's going to be best used for annuals or something that's going to have a really shallow root system.
Yeah, like a low grower, maybe like a lissum, right? Or lobelia, kind of a trailer.
Definitely.
Those would work well.
Definitely. Now, something you want to look at here is, let's set that down in there. Now, this is a Spanish lavender plant, and it's nice and healthy. It's blooming, but look at this depth here. Look at the depth difference between the pot it's in and then this pot. Actually, the pot itself is a little bit higher than the edge of the planter, and so what's going to happen here is that if we wanted to plant this in here, we might plant it in here for only one season. If our plan was to put this in a pot for years and years to come and stay there, we would actually put it in this pot over here. You can see below it here, there's a lot of room for the roots to grow, and also place other plants in and around it, so it won't be alone in here and it'll look really full and beautiful. This Spanish lavender could stay in here for probably 3 to 5 years if properly taken care of, so the roots could actually grow around and grow down in and grow into this space fairly well.
So we also have these sizes. We have some random containers that we're going to be repurposing from last year. You can see we actually still have old soil in them. Kind of another flat design there. So again, thinking about what types of plants, their heights.
Shallow root systems. More shallow of a root system than, say, that Spanish lavender.
Yeah, definitely. So we've got some deciding to do and some planning ahead of us, but we're starting to narrow down what we want to use and what will fit where.
Yep. So hopefully that was helpful to you. You can go through maybe the same process or something similar so you can figure out what pots you have and how best to use them in your garden.
Yeah.
So until then, let us know in the comments section if you have any questions or comments. Give us that thumbs up. Let us know if we're doing a good job or not. And go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our newest videos.
And have a great day ahead, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, you guys.
Bye-bye.